Ducks, waterfowl birds found worldwide, are known for their aquatic lifestyle. With webbed feet for swimming, they inhabit various wetlands, lakes, and rivers. Ducks come in diverse species, each with unique characteristics and plumage. Omnivorous in diet, they feed on aquatic plants, insects, and small fish. Many migrate seasonally in search of better feeding grounds. Ducks have a distinctive quacking sound, but their communication involves various vocalizations. They build nests near water and lay eggs. Ducks play vital roles in ecosystems, helping control insect populations and dispersing plant seeds. Their beauty, adaptability, and role in nature make them fascinating creatures.